Again, we're going over Unit 1, African American Identity. The first thing concept we'll be talking about will be Sankofa and the danger of a single story. Again, I do want to remind you what our lesson goals are. Again, you will understand that African American identity is rooted in early African experience, why the study of African and African American history and culture is important. All right, Sankofa. All right, look at these images. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to look over and see if you've noticed anything about these images. All right, some of the things that you may have imaged about these, some of the things you may have noticed, I'm sorry, about these images is the head of the bird facing backwards, right? So when we talk about Sankofa, we're talking about three concepts that are within the name of Sankofa. San having to do with the return, Ko for go, all right, and Fa for seek, look, and take. All right, Sankofa is an African word from the Killing tribe in Ghana. The literal translation of the word and symbol is it is not taboo to fetch what is at risk of being left behind. So as we go forward, think about that. Think of the concept, all right? Again, it is not taboo to fetch what is at risk of being left behind.